Focus for a minute on the Endeavor HD series of spotting scopes by Vanguard, a top-of-the-line yet affordable optic that never compromises on quality. In fact, the Endeavor HD spotting scope is the most advanced piece of optical equipment Vanguard has ever produced. The Endeavor HD series includes the 65A and 82A models. Endeavor 65A comes with a 65mm objective lens and angled eyepiece, with 15-45 zoom magnification, whereas the 82A has an 82mm objective and an impressive 20-60 zoom eyepiece magnification. Their optical systems employ extra low dispersion glass to ensure accurate color rendition and virtually eliminate color fringing. The lenses are fully multi-coated to ensure optimum light transmission, and they also feature a phase-coated back 4 roof prism. The dual focus wheel is perfect for coarse and fine adjustment. HD scopes also feature an extendable rubber-covered eye cup and boast impressive eye relief even at the highest zoom settings. This is matched by a very impressive field of view. Both HD models feature a magnesium body, making them especially resilient to the elements. And all of Vanguard's optics, including our scopes, are 100% waterproof and fog-proof. A built-in sun shield is included to eliminate glare in direct sunlight. And the spotting scope comes equipped with a padded raincoat with a sling for carrying and protection. The Endeavor HD spotting scope mounts directly to any standard Q20 thread bolt. Because we own our own factory, Vanguard prides itself on offering a higher quality optic at a more affordable price. We also stand behind our products with industry-leading warranties. For more specific information on things such as eye relief, field of view, and dimensions, please visit VanguardWorld.com. Offering the latest in optical technology, see more clearly with Endeavor HD spotting scopes by Vanguard.
This is the Viper HD. Packed with features for incredible glassing, the Viper HD spotting scope offers high-end optical performance without the high-end price tag. The HD optical system, comprised of premium components, generates vivid, high-definition images, and XR anti-reflective coatings on all air-to-glass surfaces attain brighter views in low-light situations. The sleek, smooth, helical focus dials in your image for ultra-sharp viewing and maintains a trim profile for ultimate packability. A multi-position eye cup provides proper eye relief, and the built-in sunshade pulls out to reduce glare. The bottom mounting foot conveniently snaps directly in and out of a Manfrotto RC2 style quick-release tripod head, and a locking collar allows the scope to rotate into different viewing positions. Strong O-ring seals and argon purging deliver waterproof and fog-proof performance, and durable rubber armor guards against impacts in rugged environments. Ultra-hard ArmorTech coatings protect exterior lenses from scratches, oil, and dirt. Available in various sizes, magnification ranges, and angled or straight configurations, the Viper HD is covered for life by the Vortex VIP warranty.
Like its namesake, the Hummingbird ED Micro Spotting Scope is as well suited to long-distance travel as it is to the backyard. The world's first truly micro ED glass spotting scope, Celestron's Hummingbird, is the perfect all-in-one sport optic with its small, portable size, powerful magnification, bright, crisp views, and vivid colors. Ideally suited for travel, the Hummingbird will easily fit into your pocket, shoulder bag, or carry-on luggage, so it's perfect for mobile birders as an alternative to a full-size spotting scope. It can be handheld or used on a tripod mount with a close focus of only 10 feet, so you can always be ready for what the world has to offer. Designed to be a versatile and reliable sporting optic for the outdoor lifestyle, birding, nature study, hunting, sightseeing, or sporting events, Hummingbird spans the range between traditional binoculars and spotting scopes with effective magnification from 7 to 22 times in the 50mm model and 9 to 27 times in the 56mm model. Waterproof, nitrogen-filled, and constructed with a durable armor that protects against wet weather, humid conditions, and other environmental challenges. Your Hummingbird ED Micro Spotting Scope will always be at the ready to meet any challenge with flying colors.
Meade's wilderness spotting scopes are the ultimate staple for the outdoorsman. Available in 65, 80, and 100mm lens sizes, these spotting scopes gather plenty of light for bright, detailed images. These high-quality zoom Polar Prism spotting scopes, available in 15 to 45 and 20 to 60 power, deliver years of use and are the rugged waterproof equipment needed for outdoor exploring. Meade's wilderness spotting scopes feature high-index BAK4 prisms and high-quality precision ground lenses that are coated with multiple layers of anti-reflection coatings to provide optical performance that is equal to, or better, than any spotting scope in its class. Each wilderness spotting scope features a sliding sunshade to further reduce glare, a rugged rubber armor covering to protect your scope from abrasions and damage, and all wilderness spotting scopes are waterproof, fog-proof, and nitrogen-purged to ensure many years of performance regardless of the environment. Each wilderness spotting scope also comes standard with a soft padded carrying case and camera adapter to help capture views of a lifetime. Whether you're bird watching, hunting, or just enjoying the outdoors, the Wilderness Series spotting scopes will bring wildlife up close and personal. With quality optics and a rugged design, our wilderness spotting scopes are made for the outdoors.